Students, let's read the given question. A stone of 1 kg is thrown with a velocity of 20 meters per second across the frozen surface of a lake and comes to rest after traveling a distance of 50 meters. What is the force of friction between the stone and the ice? So here in this question, we are given some minute details. Let's jot it down. The mass of stone is given as 1 kg, and it is said that it is thrown with a velocity of 20 meters per second. That is, initial velocity represented by u is equals to 20 meters per second. And it is being said that it comes to rest after traveling a distance of 50 meters. That means the terminal velocity or the final velocity v becomes 0 meters per second. And it has traveled a distance s is equals to 50 meters. Now it is being asked that what is the force of friction between the stone and the ice? We know to find the force, the formula is mass into acceleration. As here we are not given with the acceleration, so we have to find it using the equations of motion. Of three equations of motion, we would imply the equation that states twice of acceleration into distance covered is equals to square of terminal velocity minus square of initial velocity. Now let us put in the values, that is twice of acceleration, we will keep it as a as we don't know the value. The s is given as 50 meters, that is into 50 is equals to terminal velocity is 0 minus u square. The initial velocity is given as 20, so it is 20 into 20, that is equals to 400. So now we will find the value of a as minus of 400 divided by twice of 50, that is 100. So acceleration is minus 4 meters per second square. The negative sign indicates that it is retardation. The opposite acceleration is known as retardation, that is against the motion of the object. So now we will find the force F, that is mass into acceleration. The mass is given as 1 kg and the acceleration is negative, that is minus 4 meters per second square. So the answer becomes minus 4 kg meters per second square, and kg meters per second square is equivalent to Newton. So the answer becomes minus 4 Newton. Negative sign indicates that it is the forces in opposite direction to the movement of stone, hence it is the frictional force. So in the question, it was being asked that what is the force of friction between the stone and the ice? So it is the frictional force whose magnitude is 4 newtons. I hope you have understood the question and its solution well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.